In this video, we'll learn about the new VFB Stamp layer added in VRA 5.1. So let's open up the frame buffer and run the IPR and make sure Layers tab is open. You notice we have a new stamp layer on top of the layer stack, which is invisible by default. If I select the stamp layer and make it visible, you notice it allows you to overlay some information about the scene and render settings on top of your final render. By default, we get the version number, the scene name that is used to render the image, the frame number, the number of primitives in the scene, and the render time. We can adjust these current variables or remove them or add new variables. If I come over to the property section of the stamp layer, this string here is what will be overlaid on top of the render. We can adjust it as we wish, and all the available variables are listed down here. We can select any one of them and use this insert button to add it to the text field. Let's say I want to add the date of the render. I'm gonna put the cursor at the end of the string, add a vertical bar. I'm gonna select the date variable and insert it. And you notice the exact date of the render has been added to the stamp. Now we can be a bit more descriptive and add a custom text before the variable. So I can come in before the % and type in date colon space, and that adds that information to the stamp. We have a long list of variables that can be used. You can also type them manually. Just make sure to include a % before the variable so VRA recognizes them as variables. Now let's say I want to stamp the name of the camera that was used for the render. You notice the variable is just camera. So let's go to the end of the string and type in % camera space vertical bar. And that vertical bar just to separate different variables. And that adds the name of the camera to the string, which is VRA Cam 001. Again, to be more descriptive, let's tell people that this describes the name of the camera. So let's put the cursor before the % and type in camera colon space. And now we get that description as well. Just remember, if you do it manually, to tell VRA that this is a variable and needs to be replaced with information from the scene, use the % before typing the variable. And there are some basic alignment options as well. You can also go ahead and change the color and the font if you wish so. So that's about VFB Stamp in VRA 5.1. See you in the next one.